What's up, friends? It's Ben, and it's close to the end of the year. I'm getting my equipment room kind of semi-cleaned up and organized, doing my little bit of inventory and whatnot, and I thought this would be a good time to kind of show you guys the equipment room. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but I always have like 1,000 ideas that I want to plan out, and then I never end up doing it. So I'm just going to do a kind of impromptu tour of the equipment room, let you know how I kind of set everything up and how I think through it and some of the changes I've made since I've been in my school over the last 16 years. So let's check it out. So here's some of our recess stuff. All the kids are bringing in their recess equipment, and I inventory it all, create recess bags for the next year when you get all the equipment ordered the following year. Here's my equipment cart that I just kind of roll in and out, my computer cart. So my computer goes on there, that hooks up to my TV, and that just kind of stays inside the door. So I just roll that in the door, lock the door each day, and then that cleans up the gym for the after school program. I think I do have a video, I'll try to link it up, of the computer cart. Just a few things on the bottom here. Got like tape, carabiners, bungees, my I can statements, which I put up for the different units that we do on the whiteboard right there. Little station sign slips, and then all my like station signs and things like that. And coming into the equipment room, so like right inside the right hand side of the door, I've got a cart where I have like quick grab items that I'm doing throughout each unit. So if I'm using like fake money or wristbands or whatever, I'll just have it on these little carts, or if I have some certificates to hand out. And then on the walls, we've got some cornhole boards hanging up. We got a little cart that we can roll around if we're going to different places. Got some of these like little, hangers for gator skin balls. I found that having them in these bags is better than having them stored in like a bucket, because over the summer break, or if they're just sitting for a long time, the gator skin or any kind of foam ball will kind of flatten when it's up against the bucket like that, and it doesn't do it as bad when it's in a bag. So I have one of these little storage sheds, outdoor like storage sheds with like office supplies, tape, wipes, post-it notes, markers, pencils, and things like that. And then I keep like my buckets and tubs over here, trash cans with noodles. Got some of these like expandable equipment cart things that look like this when they are all done. So like for a different unit, I'll pull these out, and then they're easy to roll in and out for different units when we're using items. This is kind of the dirty corner back here where I keep the recess stuff, the extra recess stuff, once it's distributed next year. And then if a kid like has a ball that gets lost or something, I'll give them any extra things that we need. We've got like a field day bin, technology bin, prizes, fundraisers type stuff, a little poster storage shelf here. And then we've got the step boxes. We've got some field day stuff up here. You can see like I like to have everything in clear containers. This has been a total transition from cardboard boxes. Pretty much all of these were cardboard boxes when I got here, and I've slowly, over the few years, I'll buy like 5 of these bins every year and swap them out and try to put these labels on them for each different thing. It's PVC hurdle, so kind of tried to think about storing things with things that they go with. Like we have all the Frisbees together, bean bags and cornhole bags, and assorted items that might go together in the same spot. But it's not perfect, and I'm sure there are lots of ways I could improve that. Trash cans for like long hand implements like plastic bats and plastic golf clubs, and then the bins of the balls that we use quite often, like the gator skin, like the squishy balls, playground balls. This jump rope cart, I will sometimes, if we're going outside, or if I just during our jump rope unit want to have the jump ropes out, I have this like back of the door storage, jump rope storage. So usually I'll just like open this door when we're doing the jump rope unit, but then sometimes I might want to have like the jump rope cart over on that wall, so I'll just transfer the ropes over there for the lesson that we're doing. I've got a ladder so I can get up on the wall and get up and access the TV areas and the stereo area, which is over here. So that's our sound system. It hooks up to the wireless mic and all that stuff. Got our battery speaker when we go outside. Hula hoop rack. This corner is kind of the gymnastics mat corner, and we just have these rolly carts for the mats, and then I have these on scooters so they can easily roll as well whenever we're getting ready to move them. And then basketball cart, soccer ball cart, let's see what's over here, footballs, hockey sticks, bouncies, and then some other assorted items over here. And that's kind of a quick overview. I like to have the clear bins a lot because it allows me to find things quickly as soon as I walk in. Usually whatever unit we're doing, that equipment just kind of stays right here in the middle of the equipment room inside the door in this area, so I can just easily grab it and go outside with it, set up the gym and reset every day. And you know, each year when I'm doing inventory and thinking about ordering, usually I'll start with the things I need to replace. So like throughout the year, you know, if I have like 3 basketballs go flat, I'll just keep a note on my bulletin board in my office about, you know, I need to order 3 basketballs next year. And so I start with that stuff, and then any money that I have left over, I will try to think about what cool things I think I can add to the unit. Like last year I bought a disco light for our cosmic bowling unit, which was a lot of fun this year. I bought some fishing poles, which I've been introducing to the kids as a station activity. And so just thinking about what kind of things you think would be cool to fit into your curriculum and add things to your curriculum after you've kind of done that maintenance of replacing the things that get damaged, because you know, just like anything, you're gonna have to, stuff gets used up and stuff goes bad, so you replace things as they go bad, and then you prioritize the stuff you want to add on. So I know we're super blessed here. I have been here for 16 years. The school is 25 years old, and we've done a lot of fundraisers. The teacher that was here before me did a really good job of taking care of the equipment and inventorying equipment and stuff like that. So hopefully that helps give you some ideas, and I hope you have an awesome day. Have fun and teach on. Catch you guys later.
Don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares?